you take this pasta to be your next easy, delicious recipe? To make and to cherish for lunch or for dinner until the plate is empty? Say I do and you won't regret it, because today I'm going to introduce to you what could very well be your soul plate. Pasta Parmesan with bacon. We're back with another mind-blowingly easy recipe, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now back to our show. We're going to start by heating up a large pot of water with a pinch of salt, and while that's coming to a boil, heat up a skillet with 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Then we're going to add 1/3 of a pound of bacon. Any bacon will do. Here, I'm actually using Canadian bacon that I found in the meat section of my local grocery store. After that cooks for about 3 minutes, we're going to add 1/2 chopped onion and 5 large cloves of garlic. Love me some garlic. Now it's time to brown. Keep that moving on medium heat until all the fat renders out of the bacon and the onion and garlic turn a nice golden tan. Oh yeah, that's looking nice. Next, we're going to add 1/2 cup chicken stock, 1/2 cup heavy cream, 1 cup of white wine, and 1/3 cup grated Parmesan cheese. And then stir for about a minute until all the parts come together before adding 2 teaspoons dried oregano, and try to crush it as you're adding it. And finally, 1/2 teaspoon dried chili flakes. Now we stir. We want all the ingredients to marry in the pan. It's probably a good idea to reduce our heat to medium-low. We want this to simmer, because thicker is always better. The water's boiling. It's time to toss in the pasta. I'm using thin spaghetti, but go buck wild. Any kind will do. Try to look away. It's nearly impossible. And that steam means flavor. My taste buds are burning from just the memory of that smoky, bacony goodness. And the pasta is just about ready, but before we drain it, I'm going to finish the sauce with a little salt and pepper to taste, because we are not accepting anything less than perfection. And let me tell you, it smells like heaven. I think it's time to consummate this marriage of flavors by adding the pasta. And don't worry if it gets a little messy. Go slow. Make sure to soak it completely in that sauce. It helps to finish thickening if you leave on a low flame while you're doing it. The moment of truth. Plate up with a generous portion and twist it into a tower of culinary beauty. Like Michelangelo, be the sculptor. A little chopped parsley and extra Parmesan if you wish, or if you prefer, some extra red pepper flakes. This is your creation, your masterpiece. And even though it's my recipe, you can always fib and tell guests that you made it up. That's the beauty of YouTube. We can all appear to be experts at nearly anything, in just 3.5 minutes. As always, thanks for watching.